Welcome to Wetsu Publishing. We are an educational leader in the area of survival. Our division is highly experienced in both the needs of individuals and group survival. Also, let's not forget about the survival of those pets and animals that we care for. Situational awareness, like looking over the parking lot as you leave the store. Being aware of your surroundings is a good way to avoid a bad situation before it happens. Pandemics, natural or man-made disaster, how to build a fire, prepping, finding water and food, how to make weapons and traps, self-defense, homesteading, living off the grid, and first aid are just some of the topics we cover here. Please check out our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. Click on the bell so you don't miss our latest video. Also, please join our email list to receive important notifications. Thank you and have a great day from all of us at Wetsu Publishing.